Big breaking news is out, guys. Big breaking news, because if you see that this is the Wipro hiring, if you see that this is the Wipro opportunity and they are sending the interview mail. If you didn't apply, please watch video till end, because in this video there is Accenture recruit CRM mass hiring, yes, technology trainee mass opportunity. So please watch video till end and don't skip a single second. And please go and watch this Infosys mass hiring round 2 exam deferred, and a new assessment mail is out, which is round 2 in person assessment, which is for 2026 batch. So if you didn't watch it yet, go and hit the video and watch video till end. And please apply for IBM EY Milliman mass opportunities. So please do subscribe my channel, like this video, share my video, and join WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Now moving forward, this is the big breaking news. This is a call to attend first interview CoCube's assessment trainee role at Wipro Noida location, 20th July and 19th July and 18th July. I already told you all three slot interviews. ठीक है, mail I already showed you. But if you didn't apply, you have to apply, guys, because I already uploaded this video 10 days ago. I already uploaded this, so please go and hit the apply button. But you have to understand each and everything. Candidate reporting to office after 12 p.m. will not be included for interview. ठीक है, make sure to report to the office as per detail below. If you have any concern, keep us posted. So job description and assessment detail are attached here. You can check that you will be taking your assessment through your mobile device to ensure smooth experience. Mobile is fully charged before starting the assessment. ये बहुत लो लेवल का assessment होगा, guys. That's why they are not telling you about laptop, just telling you about the mobile phone. ठीक है, mobile must be fully charged, and don't forget to bring your mobile charger with you just in case you need a top up during the process. So keep in mind there is no need of laptop, just a fully charged mobile phone is compulsory with a charger. And you have to keep in mind this is the CoCube's assessment, means that this is interview. Keep in mind, plus this is a very normal level of interview is there. So this is training level of role, they will give you the training also, but you have to keep in mind, don't skip a single second, because if you have to get, if you want to see the mail, you have to keep in mind this is trainee level of role, and in that website there is written multiple things. So what is written there? There is written mandatory skill, whatever mandatory skill plus responsibilities plus required skill is written there, you have to just put all that domain in resume. But if the hiring is open, then only you can do these things. But if hiring is not, then it's your fault, because I already uploaded 12, 13 and maybe 10 day ago. So if you didn't apply, it's your fault, guys. But if the hiring is active, just as soon as possible hit the apply button, because it's not a normal hiring and it's not a normal opportunity. So go and hit the apply button as soon as possible, and please update your resume. Apply with new email ID. There is no job ID. You can't take referral. You have to apply manually, and please apply with an updated resume. And second one is apply with a new email ID. Use new email ID in the Wipro. Okay. Now moving forward, yes, technology trainee consultant smart recruiting job is announced. Hyderabad location is there. If you scroll down, you can check one thing, that what is written there. There is exact. You have to keep in mind that English communication is first priority, and you have to do onboarding, recruiting, HR domain, guys. First, shortlisting the resume of candidate and schedule the interview. Schedule round 1 up. मतलब ये जो चीज़ होती है ना, शॉर्टलिस्टिंग से लेके अप टू ऑनबोर्डिंग, यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक केयर फ्रॉम दिस. ठीक है, एंड टू एंड फंक्शन एट ऑफ एटलीस्ट वन HR डोमेन लाइक रिक्रूटिंग, ऑनबोर्डिंग, जो भी है. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड इंग्लिश इज कंपलसरी, प्लस SF सर्टिफिकेशन एनी वन मॉड्यूल इज डिजायर्ड बट नॉट मैंडेटरी. एंड preferred qualification MBA in HR or finance or engineering. However, this is not mandatory, but you can go with this. So please, guys, keep in mind you have to first update your resume. And plus, if you see काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें तो नहीं है इसमें, बट हाँ यही चीज़ है जो मेन है. प्लस यहाँ पर जो है वो कंपनी के बारे में लिखा है. सो यू हैव टू पुट ऑल दिस डोमेन रेज्यूमे एंड गेट द शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग मेल. So this is the big breaking news, guys. Don't skip a single second. First update your resume. Plus this is the job ID, and hit the apply button as soon as possible. Now Accenture announced the biggest opportunity, and this is pure IT role, but this is for experience or fresher, both eligible है. If you see web developer associate role, 0 to 2 year of experience is needed. Fresher is eligible. Full-time hiring. Mumbai location is there. Scroll down and check one thing, that what is written. First of all, this is so messed up, so I am telling you what to put in resume. Now if you check, So if you see guys that what is written there, there is the any graduation is compulsory plus and hypertext markup language CSS HTML JavaScript is compulsory, MS Office Suite is compulsory एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज़ कंपलसरी टू पुट इन रेज्यूमे। अब थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएंगे तो यहाँ पर भी तुमको वही सेम चीज़ें मिलेंगी, जो कि यहाँ से देख सकते हो रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डेवलप HTML ईमेल एंड ईमेल कैंपेन सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द टीम। तो ये चीज़ें दिमाग में रख के अप्लाई करना, ठीक है। एंड इफ़ यू क्लिक ऑन क्वालिफिकेशन एनी ग्रेजुएशन इज़ रिक्वायर्ड यू कैन इजली हिट द अप्लाई बटन and only Mumbai location is there. So this is the big breaking news. If you can take the referral, you can take easily because this is associate level of role and associate means fresher is eligible. But अगर वहाँ पे particular लिखा है कि experience भी apply कर सकते हैं, so you can easily hit the apply button as an experience also. But in this fresher up to 2 year of experience is needed, so you as a fresher you can easily apply. But keep in mind guys, first of all update your resume, apply with new email ID, and if you are taking referral this will be a गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज अगर रेफरल मिल गया ना एक बार तो दे विल डेफिनेटली शेड्यूल योर इंटरव्यू और इवन राउंड 1 भी शेड्यूल कर देंगे। और लेकिन रेफरल में ये होता है कि डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल कर दिया जाता है। तो ट्राई टू टेक द रेफरल इफ़ यू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस और इफ़ यू आर अ फ्रेशर यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई टू टेक द रेफरल। So please update your resume, put all the domain which is written here. First of all, keep in mind MS Office, Look, Internet, MS Word, Suite, PowerPoint, Excel is compulsory. Plus these are responsibilities and mostly interpersonal skill is written there, so you can easily put in resume. Now moving forward, recruit CRM trainee software engineering 2027. Full-time hiring is announced. This is fully remote and flexible work. Work from home hiring is this 3 month 3 month of internship program 7,000 per month work from home, traineeship program 6 month 20,000 per month work from home, full time opportunity 9 month of completion training means 3 plus 6 9 month of training they will give you 9 LPA of package which is absolutely associate software engineer pure IT role plus this is guys लीव मी रिमोट हायरिंग प्लस 9 LPA पैकेज। रिमोट हायरिंग ही है, इंटर्नशिप भी, ट्रेनिंग भी और फुल टाइम भी पूरी वर्क फ्रॉम होम है। 2027 फ्रेशर इज़ एलिजिबल एंड 2027 बैच ओनली एलिजिबल BTech BCA BSc ME M.Tech MCA MSc in computer should apply. Now first is online virtual interview. First of all MCQ online test, a coding and a virtual interview. All and each and every round is virtually conducting. So you have to don't worry about this, but stable internet connection, camera must be working there, web proctored exam is there, that's why webcam must be working, and whoever clear the test they will contact you via email, so give your email ID very carefully, and laptop is required for the entire interview process. Our hiring process is unique and multiple screening round, and they will communicate through via um, email, and all necessary update share की जाएगी due course. Result for each round will be communicated to candidate as and when required. So the batch will be on board 5th of October, मतलब बहुत इमीडिएट। हेलो हेलो हेलो। तो ट्रेनी से अब ये जो है ना गाइस बहुत ही ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ है, तो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई नाउ एज सून एज पॉसिबल। दिस इज़ फॉर 2027 बैच एंड इफ़ यू सी दैट these are the main thing you have to put in resume: Java, Python, AIML. देखो if you are not putting AIML then definitely you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. So please guys do update your resume, hit the apply button and follow the criteria. This is the breaking news for all 2027 batch and this is the big opportunity if you grab it, because remote plus 9 LPA plus remote plus training internship all is virtually remotely. So you have to keep in mind you have to apply for Accenture, Yes Technology and this in Wipro hiring. This Wipro opportunity already completed the 19th 16th जुलाई ऑफ इंटरव्यू, ठीक है, और अभी भी ऑन गोइंग है, मतलब आज है प्लस कल भी होगा जिसने अप्लाई किया है। सो इफ़ यू डिडंट अप्लाइड इट्स योर फॉल्ट इफ़ द हायरिंग इज़ नॉट एक्टिव। लेकिन मैंने पहले ही कहा था एज सुन एज पॉसिबल अप्लाई इट, बिकॉज फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व, इफ़ सीट गॉट फुल्ड देन यू विल नेवर गेट टू सी द इंटरव्यू स्लॉट बुकिंग मेल। मतलब ये जो आ रहा है ना इंटरव्यू शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग, ये नहीं आएगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सीट बुक हो चुकी होगी, फिर तुम कितनी बार अप्लाई कर लो इवन यूजिंग 3 email ID इट डजेंट वर्क, ठीक है। सो कीप इन माइंड अप्लाइड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल फॉर ऑल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ठीक है। इसके लिए भी अभी अप्लाई करो, बाद में रोना मत कि भैया असेसमेंट की मेल आ रहे हैं बट हमने अप्लाई नहीं किया, ठीक है। गो एंड हिट द अप्लाई बटन टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।